changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Okay, let's go, guys. This will do. Okay, how is everyone doing? Lovely day here over the Pendle Hills. Now on today's menu, I've got some waffles, but I want to make some Spruce Pine Needle Syrup. Got the water, got the sugar. Spruce Pine Needles, very edible, full of vitamin C. Probably best picked and eaten in spring, the new shoots, but it's still only February at the moment. But very commonly used in tea, and the new fresh shoots can be put raw into a salad, so many uses. Very good for you. Smell absolutely brilliant, like I said, full of vitamin C. So I'm going to make this syrup to go on my waffles. So plenty of sugar in. The more sugar you put in, the thicker it will be, so that's up to you. Just give it a little stir. Put your pine needles in. Now all you've got to do is sit back and enjoy the view. Let it boil, let it simmer down. Obviously the thicker you want it, the more you want it to simmer down, so that is completely up to you. Love being out doing this, guys. So peaceful, out in nature. I never see anyone over this part in the Pendle Hills. Sometimes you see a walker way off in the distance, but you can just come and relax, cook, do what you want all day long really, and no one will bother you. Absolutely brilliant. So as you can see, it's starting to thicken up now. It's going to caramelise and then it'll be ready. There we go. As you can see, it's caramelised. That gives it its flavour. That's ready. So what you've got to do now is strain it through something like a paper towel into a cup. That will get out all the pine needles and any bits. Couple of bits got through there. And there we go. Spruce Pine Needle Syrup. Couple of bits in there, but I'm sure it'll taste lovely. Might as well get plenty of. I'll fold it up because I know it'll probably break to bits. Beautiful. So there we go, guys. Spruce Pine Needle Syrup. Very simple, very straightforward. Absolutely lovely on waffles or pancakes probably. Simple stuff. I'm no cook, I just like coming out, trying to cook things in the wild. Give me some complicated recipes, I don't mess it up. Anyone can do this. It's just very relaxing, it's great. Please do like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment. Speak soon.